Hey guys, welcome to Great Indian Cooking. If you're here for the first time, please like my channel, subscribe and click on the bell button for notification. With all your love and support, we have reached 1000 subscribers and we are here in the second series Snack Attack, and in this series we are going to say today Ghirmit from Karnataka. To make Girmit, we need puff rice 1 cup, onion 1 number, green chilies 2, curry leaves few, coriander leaves few, roasted gram flour half cup, tamarind lemon size, cumin seeds half a tablespoon, mustard seeds quarter tablespoon, oil to fry, salt to taste, jaggery and turmeric powder are optional. Let's see how to make this. So first I have poured oil into which I have added the mustard seed and let it to pop. And after the mustard seeds crackle, we are going to add jeera into it, and after that I've added the green chilies. Green chilies is as per your spice level. So if you like a lot of spice, then you can add more to it. So it's all depends on your spice level and the spiciness of the green chilies. Now to it I've added turmeric just for the color. If you do not like it, you can just avoid this. And to that I'm added the curry leaves and coriander leaves, and I'm going to saute it lightly. To this I have extracted the tamarind juice from lemon sized tamarind, a thick extract I would say. I have added that into this mixture. While this is bubbling, we are going to add salt to it, and then we are going to add other ingredients and bring it into a saucy consistency. So now I've added the salt and let it bubble a little bit so that the raw smell of the tamarind goes away. So now we are going to add the onions. Half an onion we will add along with this sauce, and half we are going to add it along with the bel puri. A raw onion I would say we would add. Okay, half of the onion has to be cooked along with this tamarind. So to this I've added jaggery. It will give a sweet and sour taste and a spicy taste, so that will give a very chaat flavor, like chatkar as they say in Hindi. That kind of a flavor you will get. You will get all the taste in this sauce. So for that I've added jaggery. If you do not like the sweet taste in any bel puri, you just can avoid it. And if you do not have jaggery, not to worry guys, you can substitute with sugar or with honey also. So just add any of these sweetness if you like sweet, otherwise you can avoid this. Bring this mixture to a boil and let it become saucy consistency, like a thick one. So then the sauce is ready. All we need to do is then to assemble all the ingredients and just check at this time whether the spice and the salt and everything is fine. So I've now transferred all the ingredients into the cup. Now I'm going to mix all the wet ingredients, like except the puff rice. If you're adding puff rice with the starting itself, it will become soggy. So what I do is I usually add the onions first, then the mixture which we made right now, the Girmit masala I would say. I've added that into it, and to that I'm going to add the gram flour, roasted gram flour this is. So we are going to add this, and this is going to absorb all the moisture, and moreover this is going to give a good texture to the blending masala. So to this, at this stage you can add any vegetable for that matter: beetroot, carrot, grated beetroot, cabbage, capsicum, or any other vegetable which your child doesn't want to eat. Also you can add paneer cubes, small cubes also. And to that I've added the bhujia or the say which we call in South India we call it umapudi. So I've added that to it, and now I'm going to add the puff rice, and I'm going to mix all the ingredients thoroughly so that the flavor is amalgamated all through and through. Now I've added the puff rice. Now it should take very less time while mixing it. If you're going to take a lot of time, then the puff rice will become soggy, and you would say, Vidya, you never said that puff rice has to be crispy enough. So if you want more crispiness, then what you can do is just slightly dry roast it in microwave if you have, otherwise in a dry pan also, and then add it along with it. So it will take a longer time for it to become soggy. So this ways also you can maintain the crispiness of the puff rice. That is it. The Girmit is ready. I have garnished today with carrots, grated carrots and bhujia. So as I told you, you can try any combination. So if you please subscribe to my channel for more such wonderful recipes and like and keep on supporting.